Here we have the second white and brass Hunter original that I got from Facebook Marketplace. So I got 4 of these in total. So 2 were white and brass, just like this one, and then 2 were full brass. And this is irrelevant, but one of the brass one had painted white blades, you can see on the other side, or painted white for whatever odd reason. But that has nothing to do with this fan here. It's in pretty good condition. You can see the blades are not absolutely perfect. This one has some streaks if you look very carefully, which can probably be removed if I had to guess. Trying to make this focus here. Can't really see. Looks like a 90 on that side, so I think this is from 1990. And of course my camera is just not acting right. And somebody, this is on all 4 of the originals I got, somebody cut the chain real short for whatever reason, but this is low speed. It buzzes a lot because it's on my solid state control. But if you were to hook it up to direct power without a weird solid state control, it would be silent. This one kind of has a faster low speed than the other one. Here's medium. Runs very smooth, very quiet. This one has a slight shake to it, but it's nothing bad at all. This is high speed here. Goes very fast, moves a lot of air, just like pretty much any Hunter original you'd expect. As I said, I'm gonna say it again. It's not a problem with the fan. It's making that buzzing noise. That is specifically because of my solid state control over there that it is hooked up to. Do not mind the light glare. I actually ended up moving that light over like a foot or so because it was always pointing right into the fan blades, and it was like a strobe light when the fan ran. So it was very annoying. But I couldn't really move it over any further than that. That's all I have for the second white and brass Hunter original ceiling fan.